Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to copy Xbox games for the Xbox 360 without modding your Xbox. You can just play the game without modding your Xbox. All you need is to get a game. Like you can borrow it from your friend or something, and you can you just copy the game and you can play it like that. Alright, but so basically, all you need is a game. Say you want to copy Sega Superstar Tennis. Yeah, Sega Superstar Tennis. Say you want to copy that. All you need is that and the blank CD, like this. So it's blank. Then get some tape. Put the blank CD on top of the Sega Superstar Tennis. Take the tape and just take the tape. Make sure you get a lot of tape because you might need a lot of tape. And I don't know if you can see this, but take the tape, put it right there. Get a little bit more tape. I might need a little bit more tape for this. And yeah, it works pretty good. I've done this multiple times. I've used it on multiple Xboxes. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Anyways, just get some more tape. And alright, when you're done, just look a little bit like that. Just a little bit. Doesn't look like that, then fucked up. So now time to try it out. Oh shit.